Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. It is class 12 and subject zoology, and our today's topic is very important topic, that is IVF, in vitro fertilization. Dear students, this is the most important term, in vitro fertilization. What do you mean by in vitro fertilization? The in vitro fertilization means, in vitro fertilization, the eggs are fertilized outside the female body. When the eggs are fertilized outside the woman's or a female body. Dear students, are you getting my point? That I would like to say you that IVF, this is the most important term, and this is the latest technology, that in vitro fertilization, eggs are fertilized outside the female body. How eggs are fertilized outside the female body? The eggs are retrieved either by sonographic method, or by laparoscopic method. When the eggs are retrieved from the woman's uterus by sonographic method or by laparoscopic method, and then the semen and the eggs are placed. When it is retrieved, then the semen and eggs, they are placed in a fluid medium for approximately 58 hours. When the eggs are retrieved from the uterus of the woman, then the eggs, either by sonographic method or by laparoscopic method, then the eggs and the semen, they are then placed in a fluid medium for fertilization. They are placed for fertilization in a fluid medium more than 58 hours. When they are placed for fertilization more than 58 hours, then after the fertilization, if the embryos, after the 58 hours, then it becomes embryos. If the embryos develops normally, when it develops normally, then it is again placed into the fallopian tube of woman again. If they develops normally, if after the fertilization, and the embryo develops normally, then it is again placed into the embryo, transferred to the woman's uterus through fallopian tube. Then it is again placed into the uterus of the woman for further development. After the transfer, then there is one most important point, that after the transfer of embryo from the fluid medium into the uterus of the woman, after that progesterone injection may be given or administered to the recipient daily. I would like to again repeat this term, this important technology method, that is IVF. I can repeat it. IVF means in vitro fertilization. This in vitro fertilization means if the eggs are retrieved from the uterus of the woman, and then by laparoscopic method or by sonographic method, then these eggs and the semen, they are placed in a fluid medium for approximately 58 hours for getting its further development. After getting the normally developed embryo, then this embryo is again transferred and placed into the uterus of the woman. When it is placed again into the uterus of the woman, then after that progesterone injection may be administered to the recipient daily. This is the method how we can do in vitro fertilization. Then the next term, that is the most important term, another term, that is ZIP. ZIFT. ZIFT. This ZIFT stands for zygote intrafallopian transfer. Zygote intrafallopian transfer. Zygote intrafallopian transfer. Dear students, हर साल ये एग्जाम में कभी 1 नंबर वाला, कभी 2 नंबर वाला, कभी 3 नंबर वाला क्वेश्चन, ये इन तीन टर्म्स में से कोई ना कोई एक क्वेश्चन जरूर इम्तिहान में होता है. जाइगोट ट्रांसफर में क्या होता है? एग्स आर फर्टिलाइज्ड आउटसाइड द एग्स एंड स्पर्म. इन दिस प्रोसेस क्या होता है? इसमें क्या होता है? एग्स एंड द स्पर्म्स आर फर्टिलाइज्ड आउटसाइड द female body. Outside the female body. In this process क्या होता है? इसमें zygote में ये होता है, zygote means zygote intrafallopian transfer. इसमें क्या होता है? Eggs and sperms are fertilized outside the female body of a special fluid medium. In the special fluid medium. In the special fluid medium. इसमें ये होता है कि eggs and sperm are fertilized outside the female body in a special fluid medium. The zygote so formed is then placed. The zygote so formed. Zygote means the fusion of male and the female gametes. Then the zygote so formed is placed into the fallopian tube of the female for further development. For the further development. Then the next term, that is gift. Inshallah, it will be discussed tomorrow. That is the two terms, that is the in vitro fertilization and the ZIFT, and gift will be discussed inshallah tomorrow.